Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question 1. Describe the person who had come out of the aeroplane at Maripur, Karachi on August 7, 1947. Answer. The person who had come out of the aeroplane at Maripur, Karachi airport was tall and dignified. He was sober and aged man and he was wearing a pure white sherwani. Question 2. Why did the crowd roar in one voice, Pakistan Zindabad? Answer. The crowd roared in one voice, Pakistan Zindabad, because the excited people of the crowd had seen their great leader, that is Muhammad Ali Jinnah, among themselves. Question 3. Why had people become homeless? Answer. People had become homeless due to the division of subcontinent into two separate states. People left their homes and migrated to their new and independent Islamic state. Question 4. Why did the Quaid-e-Azam look satisfied? Answer. The Quaid-e-Azam looked satisfied because he knew that most of his work had been completed and a separate state had been achieved. Question 5. What did the Quaid tell the people about equal rights? Answer. About equal rights, the Quaid told the people that they were equal citizens of one state. They were free to go to their respective places of worship. Their rights of citizenship would be protected. Question 6. Find a sentence from the text having cause and effect. Answer. Following are the sentences having cause and effect. People had become homeless when India and Pakistan became separate countries. There was much in those days of violence to sadden Jinnah. Question 7. Identify a sentence from text expressing an opinion. Answer. Following is the sentence expressing opinion. Perhaps he was thinking of the thousands who were being attacked and killed on the roads and railways as they tried to reach their homeland.